All right, today we're taking a close look at Indra Ganesan College of Engineering, located in Tiruchirappalli. The TNEA code you'll need is 3831. So if this college is on your shortlist for 2026, you're in the right place. We've got all the essential details lined up for you.
Right off the bat, one of the most important things to know is that this is an autonomous institution, and it's been around since 2008. Now, why does that autonomous tag matter so much? Well, it means the college has the freedom to shape its own curriculum, keeping it fresh and in line with what the industry actually needs.
So let's get into our first look at IGCE. These are the key details you'll want to have handy for your TNE 2026 decision.
Okay, let's break down the fundamentals. It's a self-financing, autonomous college, and it's affiliated to Anna University in Chennai. Admissions are through TNEA counseling, and this next part is really important for you to know. 65% of the seats come under the government quota, while the other 35% are for the management quota.
Next up, let's talk about the college's credentials. The official stamps of approval that show an institution has met certain quality standards.
One of the biggest indicators here is the NAAC accreditation. Indra Ganesan College of Engineering holds a B+ grade. This is a pretty solid national-level validation of their overall quality.
Digging a little deeper, that's a B+ grade from their very first NAC assessment cycle. They also have active IGCE approval for the 2025-26 academic year, and they're recognized by the UGC. Basically, these are all the essential regulatory green lights you want to see.
But it's not just about the standard approvals, right? The college also has some pretty cool specialized facilities. For instance, they have an iFactory lab that's actually funded by the Ministry of Heavy Industries, and also an Anna University-approved research center right in their ECE department. This kind of stuff points to a real focus on advanced, hands-on learning.
All right, students, this section is for you. This is probably the #1 question on your mind. What can I actually study here? Let's look at the programs.
So here are your BE and BTech options. As you can see, there's a big focus on computer science and IT, with 120 seats each. You've also got new age branches like AI and data science with 60 seats, sitting right alongside the core engineering fields like ECE, EEE, and mechanical. Okay, and now for a topic that's on every parent's mind. Let's talk about placements. This is where we look at the potential return on your 4-year investment.
According to the college's own data, they have a reported placement rate of 95%. That's a pretty compelling number.
And what about the salary packages? The highest package reported is 12 lakhs per annum. This really shows you the top-tier potential for students graduating from this campus.
But of course, it's not all about the highest number. For a more realistic picture, the average package is reported at 5.5 lakhs per annum. This gives you a much better sense of a typical outcome for a student who gets placed.
So, who's doing the hiring? Well, you'll see a lot of the big, familiar names from the IT and core engineering sectors. We're talking about companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Zoho, and Cognizant, which is a great sign of strong industry ties.
Okay, we've covered careers and academics, but what's it actually like to spend 4 years on the Trichy campus? Let's get into the practical side of student life.
First up, the campus itself is spread across 25 acres. That gives you a good amount of space to learn, live, and grow over the next 4 years.
Now, for anyone coming from out of town, hostels are a huge deal. The college has separate hostels for both boys and girls. And the important details, AC rooms are available, there's Wi-Fi, and for security, they've got 24/7 CCTV surveillance. All key things parents look for.
And when it comes to travel and connectivity, the nearest major railway station is Tiruchirappalli Junction. That's a really useful piece of info for planning your trips home.
Thinking about financial aid? Well, students here can apply for a number of government scholarship schemes. This includes support for SC/ST, BC/MBC, first graduates, minority, and OBC communities.
And a quick but important note. All the information we've shared today is based on what's available on the college's official website and other government portals as of March 2026. It's always a good idea to double-check for the very latest updates before you make your final decision.
To continue your research and compare more options, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12 to engineering decisions.